Hello students, today we will do question 2 of our exercise 4.4 of chapter simple equations. See what they are saying, you have to solve the given statements. Firstly, English statement is given to you, you have to make its equation and then solve the variable. Okay, now see first part they are saying the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class. What? Highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark. See, twice the lowest marks plus 7. So, highest marks is twice means 2 times the lowest marks plus 7. Then you got the highest marks. But actual highest marks is also given, that is 87. In equation form also given and actual also given. So when you equate both of them, you will get the value of lowest score. So firstly, you have to twice the lowest marks, but you don't have lowest marks. So let us suppose the value of lowest score is L. So solution, how you do? Let lowest score, let lowest score, that is L. Then the lowest score is L, and then what will be the highest? Highest score. Highest score. What is that? What is that? Twice the lowest marks. That means 2 times of L. 2 times of L plus that 7. So according to question, that is the highest score. But highest score is also given 87. That means this highest score and this highest score are the equals. So that means that 2L plus 7 is equals to 87. Now see, here we got the equation. Now you find the value of L. Okay, how you find this? Here plus 7, move to the next side. So that will be 2L equal 87 minus 7. Okay, now see what you do. 87 minus 7, that is 80, twice of L. Now L is equals, here 2 is in multiplication. Move to the next side, it will be in division. Okay, so the answer is 40. That means what is the score of lowest score? The lowest score is 40. So in the last you will write the lowest score is 40. Move to the next. See, now the next part they are saying, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40. What are the base angles of the triangle? Now, firstly, what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is that in which two sides are equals. Okay, two sides are equals, like this and this equal. ABC is a triangle in which this AB is equals to AC. Now what is the vertex angle? Vertex angle is that this one. Okay, this is, these two sides are equal and the opposite of them, these are base angles. Okay, so we will let the base angle is B and B, because opposite angles to the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So that means these two B, angle B and angle C are equal, because this is the property, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle B is equal to angle C. So we will suppose this is B and B. Now vertex angle, the third angle which is left, this is the vertex angle. The vertex angle is 40 degree, which is given. Now you know the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. This is angle sum property. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Now see, firstly let us suppose base angle, because they are asking what are the base angles of the triangle. So firstly we have to suppose, let us suppose base angle, that is B. Okay, now you have to find value of this B. Okay, now we will apply angle sum property. According to ATQ according to question which is given. What you have to do? B plus 40. B plus B plus 40. These are the three angles of the triangle. Angle B, angle C, and that is angle A. The angles, sum of these three angles is 180. This is angle sum property of a triangle. In any triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Okay. So now you can solve this. I have earlier also told you, if nothing is there, this is 1. This is also 1. So 1b plus 1b, that will be 2b plus 40. Okay. Now C is equals 180. Write it here, 180. Okay. Now see, here plus 40, move to the next side. It will be 140. Okay. Plus 40 moves to the next side. It will be minus 40. And then this answer is 140. So 2b. Now 2b equals 140. Here 2 is in multiplication. Move to the next side. It will be in division. So value of b is 140 upon 2. Okay. So that means 70 degree. So b is 70 degree. That means the base angle is 70. If this is 70, this is also 70. Okay. So you have to find the base angles. So the base angles are 70 and 70. Next is, see the next. C part. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Okay. So Sachin scored twice. Twice means 2 times as much as Rahul scores. So if you suppose Rahul scores as x, so what will be the score of Sachin? That is 2x. Simple. If the score of Rahul is x, then the score of Sachin is 2x. Okay. Now together their runs fell. Together means when you add Rahul and Sachin score, together their runs fell too short of a double century. Means if their sum will become double century. Double century means 200. Double century means 200. But they are not 200. They are too short. Too short means they are, when you add them, Rahul and Sachin score, when you add them, they are too short. Too short means too less than double century. That means too less than double century. That means when you add these two, what you got? You will got 198. Okay. So let scores of Rahul, that is x, and according to question, then Sachin scores is 2x. ATQ means according to question. Now when you add these two together, x plus 2x, their together, that means their sum will be too short. 2. Okay. Too short of a double century. 200 minus 2. Okay. So their sum will be 2 less than double century. That means 200 minus 2. That is, their sum is 200 minus 2. So what it will be? Here no number is there. That means 1. So this is 3x equals 198. Okay. Now x equals 198 upon 3. That means x value is 66. That means what is the score of x? X is Rahul. That means score of Rahul is 66. And then what is the score of Sachin? That is 2 into 66. Because the value of x is 66. That means what you got? 132. Okay. This is the question number 4, second complete. Okay.